Hey guys, welcome to our unboxing video for the Yukon gear kit package. The gear kit package consists of 2 ring and pinion sets and 2 master overhaul kits. So it's one easy part number to order to completely overhaul and re-gear your Jeep or 1-ton off-road rig. We'll start by unboxing one of the ring and pinion sets. The gear kit packages are available from ratios from 411 to 538. This particular one's a 488 for a JK Rubicon. So as you open the box, you'll see that it comes with a sticker and a 16-page instruction manual to help you get it installed. So as we open the protective foam packaging, you can see that both the pinion gear and the ring gear are wrapped in plastic and covered in oil. This is to keep them from rusting in transit or while they're sitting on the shelf in the warehouse. Another thing that you might notice is that the ring gear already has marking compound on it. We get a lot of questions about this. The reason that it has marking compound on there is we actually test every single gear set on a roll stand at the factory to make sure that the fitment between the pinion gear and the ring gear is perfect. Now we're going to unbox the Master Overhaul Kit. With over 200 part numbers, Yukon Master Overhaul Kits are the most complete kits on the market, and you can rest assured it will be tailor-made for your specific application. As we open the box, you can see that all the components are press-boarded down. That's to keep them from rattling around during transit. So Yukon Master Overhaul Kits use almost exclusively Timken's bearings and races. So your kit is going to come with your carrier bearings and races, your pinion bearing and races. So it'll come with a new pinion nut, and in applications where required, new pinion nut washer. It'll have a new pinion seal, and for front applications it'll also come with the axle seals. Come with a marking compound and brush to check your pattern. Say in applications where crush sleeves are used, it actually comes with 2. In case you screw up on the first one, you got a backup. It'll also come with either a gasket or black RTV silicone for your cover. It'll have Loctite for your ring gear bolts. And it'll also come with a complete shim kit for your carrier and for your pinion.
Video Shopping Network, an Amazon affiliate. To see this product on Amazon, click the link in the video description below. You'll be able to see current pricing, product reviews, and any special deals. Desktop users should see the Amazon quick link below the video. Mobile users will need to click the little down arrow below the video first.